Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to build an online banking website. Basically, if you watch my previous tutorial, I also taught you guys how to design an online banking website, right? But this is kind of different. It has too many functionalities, and the UI UX of this particular website is kind of awesome. So basically, I'm going to show you how the website looks like, so you just see for yourself. I'm putting it in a subfolder. I just put it in a subfolder so you can just access it for yourself. So this is the website. You can see this is how the website looks like. um, so I'm just trying to go run through the website and show you how it looks like. Then I'm going to show you how to build this. Now basically you don't really need any coding experience in order for you to do this. Just get a script, set it up, get your domain hosting, then you can go ahead, right? So next thing now, put in this. That is all. Once you get domain, you can check the description link from this particular video. You're going to see a link that you can click on, for you to get your domain and hosting. And also once you're done getting your domain and hosting, the only thing needed is just the script. You can see how the website looks like, right? So I already have an account already. That's why I just log in directly. You can do transfer, you can do other things on the website. When transaction is made, it will be shown. You can make a deposit. Kind of nice. That's everything. That's an ATM. You can request for ATM. You can make deposit. You can request for ATM. Your virtual card. That's your ATM card. Request for one. You can do a lot of things with this website. Basically, it has a lot of function. Master. Anyone you feel like. Any of the ATM card you feel like requesting for, applying for. Okay. So what's my pet name? And aside that, no, I'm going to show you once we're done building a website. So definitely, I just requested for an ATM now. So you can go to the admin and cross check that. But that will not be now. That will be later. I just want you to see. Okay, now you can see the ATM. This is the ATM Mastercard. This is the number, and balance on the ATM card is $00, right? And it is inactive. In order for me to activate it, I have to go to the admin to do that. But that won't be That will be later. So, well, we have to focus on building this site first. So then we come back here and we're going to show you how to do the rest stuff. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos because it encourages me to do more. And my next video from now on will be basically on full fledged programming and blockchain. So we'll just wait for that to come up. Well, so let's continue from where we stop. So the next thing for us to do now is for us to just build the site. So let's get started. But please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Also, if you don't get anything, please comment on the comment section. You can also DM me if you need anything at all. Thank you. So let's continue. So the next thing for us to do now is for us to get our hosting. But probably, yeah, I already have my hosting here. I'm not going to do that again. I'm just going to log into my cPanel, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Kind of not hard at all. So I'm using Namecheap, yes, my host. That's where I got my domain and hosting from. So I'm using Namecheap, and I'm already logged into my Namecheap account, right? So I'm going to my account. Well, once you get your domain and hosting, you will be given a cPanel login in which you're going to use to access your cPanel, right? And but I'm going to access my cPanel from my Namecheap account, or you can access your cPanel also the same way I'm doing my now. If you got your hosting and domain from Namecheap, or your hosting from Namecheap probably. So once you're done doing that, now I'm going to my file manager, and I'm going to use a separate folder for this. If you know, notice I used the previous folder was new folder, right? So this new folder now I'm going to be using a new folder called folder. I'll be calling it sub, because I want you to subscribe to my channel because it helps me a lot. So I'm going to call it sub, right. So once you create a sub, you can literally just open, and you're going to upload the file, right? So don't worry, don't bother yourself about the file. Just watch the video from start to the end. If you need the file, you see it. Check the description link below, or from the screen you can see my phone number there. So, but that's that by the way. Let's continue from our step. Um, so we click on this. Sorry. Okay. So this is it. I think so. Banking fresh. So, um, this particular script we wait for it to upload, but there's no point waiting because I already have this script in my website already, so it's a waste of data. Let me just cancel this and go back, right? So I just want to let you know that I already have that particular script already here in this particular folder. I'm going to show you the folder, which is the one I showed you when displaying on the screen when I showed you when I was showing the website initially. So this folder here called this new folder, that's why I extracted the file initially. So this is particular file. If you extract that same file, this is what you're going to see. So I'm going to select this, but you and when you're doing yours, you don't need to select anything because you're not going to see anything. All you just need to do after uploading the folder, this file, you extract the file. Then once you extract the file, you're going to see this. You understand? You're going to see this. There's no point creating a new folder. That's just open your public. You see this thing called public underscore HTML. I'm going to show you something. Let me just move this. Let me move this to a folder called sub. That's that folder, right? Called sub. I've moved it there, right? So same way you are going to just extract yours. Once you click see, once you get your domain and hosting, you're going to see this file called this folder called public underscore HTML. So you're going to open this, and this is where you're going to upload the file. Click on upload and upload the file and extract the file here, right? But I'm going to do that because I have a lot of stuff on my domain already. So I'm going to create a new folder, which is why I created a folder called sub, right? And instead of uploading the file, I told you already I have the file in my other folder called new folder. So I have to just copy every single file in that new folder and move it to the subfolder, right? So once I'm done with that, I'm done with doing this, right? So next for me to do now is for me to go to my file manager. Just click on file manager. Now I'm going to create um I'm going to create a database. Now I'm going to see this called my SQL database wizard, not my SQL database, but database wizard. Click on it. Then you can just call your database. I'm calling it sub again. Okay, let me call it sub me this time. Right? I'm going to call it sub me also again. Then I'm going to click this. I'm going to use this as the password because I don't like stressing myself. I like using the same thing as the password. So just create. Now click on all privileges and click on make changes, right? So the next thing for us to do now, remember, click here. Let me go back to my file manager. Sorry, I forgot to tell you guys something here. Once you extract this file, once you extract this file, once you extract your file, you're going to see a file called. Okay, once you extract the file, let me just click this subfolder. Once you extract the file, you're going to see a file called premium. This premium imperial. The reason why it's not here is because I've deleted it already, right? So you can once you extract, you're going to see this file. This file you're seeing here, this file you see. Just download the file like this. Click and download, but not this. Just download this particular one. You're going to see it here. Once you're done downloading, then you go back to your file manager, because that's your database file. See, it's called SQL because that's your MySQL file. So the next thing for us to do now is for us to go to our phpMyAdmin, right? Now once you get to your phpMyAdmin, we're going to look for that subme. We're going to look for subme, right? And click on subme and click on import. Oh, sorry, import. That's where you click on. Click on choose. You see this particular file I told you about called Premium Imperial. Click on it, then click on select it and click on go, right? Once you click on go, the database is going to be uploaded. Now you see you've uploaded the database successfully, right? So the next thing for us to do now, just scroll down. You see these users, click on users. Then you're going to see a list of email, right? The list of account and email, right? So this is your admin, right? So you're going to edit this admin. So you're going to know the password when we're putting the password. So clean this password here. I'll just call a password. Use a simple password for us. Then when picking our email, put it in an MD5. Then click on go. That is all we need to do for this. So we're done with this already, right? Right. So next thing for us to do now is for us to go back to our file manager. Right. So go back to our file manager. Now go back to saw our public underscore HTML. Then look for that folder we uploaded that stuff to. Okay, this is the folder. Then click on account and you click on script. Then you see a file called connect.php. This is the file. Right click and edit. Uh, Now once you click on edit, see this particular file, this name. Just username. Remember our username, our database username, right? We paste it there. Submit, that's what we use, right? Our password, we use the same thing as our password, right? Paste it there. And this we also use the same thing there. We'll paste it there, right? So we save and we go back, right? So we are done already, right? So the next thing we need to do now is for us to check our website. So we're going to check our website now. Type our website slash sub because that's the folder we use, right? But yours, you're not going to do it like just type the name of your domain and it's going to show because you upload your file in your PHP public underscore HTML. So nothing else will just display. Okay, if you notice now it has the website has successfully loaded. Now if you look at it, this is the website, just like what I showed you from the beginning, that is what we're going to be creating, right? It is the same thing, right? So you can see every single thing here, it's the same thing we want to show you initially. So click on open account. We want to open an account, so we're clicking open account, but it's kind of slow. Looks like net is kind of bad. So but while waiting for that also, okay, it has taken us to the account page already. So we're going to log into our admin. This is our admin page, so to say. If you notice, account slash admin, right? So we're going to log into our admin. Remember our password, we use a simple password, right? So we'll click on login. So we are in our admin, is our admin, right? But let's go and check our website now. We just put this is our website, which is the front end website. You can see account slash index. So you can just write this 353417, then verify code. Okay, so it will ask us to access the Imperial Premium Online Banking panel, or that's our website. But currently now we can't access the website. We can't over enroll. Reasons because we've not set up our admin dashboard. So we're going to set up our admin now. So the first thing first, we need to check our email, our email settings, right? So let's go to our email. So we're going to clean this. We are going to put this. So you put your email domain name here. That's what you're going to put here. You also you need to create what's called a webmail. You put the webmail here. I will show you. I've created a webmail already on this particular domain, so there's no point. But I'm just going to show you how to create a webmail if you don't know how. And you put the webmail password here. So this is my webmail password. You put SSL. You put 465. Then you update. Then wait for it to update. Okay, say unable to connect to SMTP server. Kindly move. So it says it's unable to connect to the SMTP server. So we just need to wait. We'll clean again. Put this there again. Info. this, and this is our password SSL Imperial Banking. So let's update again. It's just giving us an error, then something is happening. So since she's giving us an error, so we're going to solve this problem now. So first and foremost, we need to check. Okay. So the first thing first, since it's giving us that error, we'll go back to our file manager, click on this, then we're going to your email, right? Email account here. Then we're going to check this particular email and click on manage. We're going to give you the password, right? Okay, alright, I can remember now. The password is wrong, that's the reason why. A wrong password. So let's go back again. This, right? Copy this. We're going to clean this, right? Info, and put this is the password, and this, then we'll pick update. So you're going to see that everything is working fine now, right? You can see that we made a mistake with our password, that's the reason why. So you have to, when creating your webmail, you have to use the right password and use the webmail. So we've done that already. So the next first do now is first just scroll down a little bit and go to general settings. Now from your general setting, first thing, we'll copy this, everything here, we'll paste it here. We clean, edit the account, then the name. Remember, we've changed this also, right? Remember, it's called info, right? So the next thing for next, we can also do other editing here. You can just go through this yourself, then we update. Wait for it. So done, right? So basically, you're done with the basic setup for the backend for you to create an account on this particular website. Other things you can go through it yourself. It's basic. You can understand it by yourself. It's very simple. Every other thing is working fine and good. So next thing for next, now we have to create an account, right? We want to create an account. So click on enroll, right? Once click on enroll, just scroll down, accept. Then we're going to use any username, any password, just pick anything at all, so make it snappy. So pick this, we just pick 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4, right? So we're going to pick a password, we'll use one. So that's our password, right? Pick an image. So I'll pick an image from my laptop here. I'm just going to pick this, right? So I'm going to pick the email. So this, I'm not going to use this. So let me look for an email here first. So I'm going to use an email. So we're done with that. So submit and wait. Okay, we've not picked our date of birth. Okay, so submit. No. So wait for it. See, your account has been successfully registered. A confirmation email has been forwarded to your email address provided at. So we click OK. Then it's asking us to log in already, right? So we'll go back to our email and see if we receive. Fine, we've received an email already, right? You can see. So click on it. You can see this is our username, which we just put randomly. That's giving us our account number. So copy your account number, right? Once you know copying your account number, our password, we know our secret code 1234, which is our two-factor authentication code. And this is everything we need to do. But aside our password, we know our password ourselves. So click this link here to verify our account. So account registration completed, right? So back to home page. So type in this 982054, right? So we're going to verify this. So you can see we're in already, right? So put um we put our account number, right? But I'm trying to recall the password I used. As I'm trying to recall now. So you can see we successfully logged into our website already, but it's asking us for two-factor authentication. The reason was because I activated two-factor authentication for the particular guy, this particular so we use 1 2 3 4, right? That's what we use, right? So we'll verify. Uh, so I think I should just go back and cancel that factor authentication stuff. Let me just disable it back because I cannot remember the two-factor authentication I used again. Let me just start afresh. 843 691, right? So verify. So use ID. You can see we're in already, right? You can see we're logged into the website already. If you know our IP address is in Nigeria, you can see. So this is the website we just created now. Same thing one I show you in the video initially. You can just request for card and every other thing. Okay, let me just show you sample. Let me request for a card. Request for card now. You can also click on support to contact support. Let me just go ahead and do this first. Uh, like first time I said nickname Bill. I want to request for a MasterCard. I applied, right? It takes some time. Okay, MasterCard will appear in a few minutes. Just hold on. So these are MasterCard, right? Inactive. You can fund your account, make transfer, make deposit. So let me just activate MasterCard from my admin. So virtual cards, right? Oh, we're logged out from our admin. So let me just log in back again. So we're in again the admin. We're logged in admin again. Wait for it. Okay, now so click on virtual card again and see the person that just requested. See, this guy just requested a virtual card, right? So view user. Hmm. Okay. So we're going to approve it now, right? See, card activated, right? So the card has been activated already. So next thing we need to do is just refresh. Go ahead and check our card, our virtual card. I see manage existing virtual card now, right? So you can see active, right? The virtual card has been activated already. So you can do a lot of stuff. You can fund you can change anything from the admin. Feel free to ask me any question if you don't understand any question. Request for loan, KYC verification, etc. and more. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also, please make comments in the comment section if you have any questions. I will attend to them one after the other. And stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you.